In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online how to show account summary balance due on invoice. If you want your invoice to display a customer's account summary, including the balance due, QuickBooks Online lets you turn that on directly within your invoice template settings. This is especially useful if you want customers to clearly see not just the current invoice amount, but also any overall outstanding balance connected to their account. It can help improve clarity and reduce follow-up questions when invoices are sent out. To get started, open QuickBooks Online and go to the Settings menu by clicking the gear icon. From there, select Custom Form Styles. This is where QuickBooks stores the design and layout settings for your sales forms, including invoices. If you've customized how your invoices look before, this is the place where those formatting options are managed. Once you're in Custom Form Styles, locate your active invoice template. This is the template currently being used when you create or send invoices. On that template, open the Action drop-down and choose Edit. This will take you into the Form Editor, where you can control what appears on the invoice and how it's presented to the customer. Next, go to the Content tab. This section lets you customize the actual information that appears in different parts of the invoice. You'll see a form preview with clickable sections that represent the layout of the invoice. In that preview, click on the Table or Body section. This area controls the main details shown in the center of the invoice, including line items and other related invoice information. Within this section, look for the Account Summary area. When you find it, check the box labeled Show on Invoice. Turning on this option tells QuickBooks to include the customer's account summary, along with the balance due, directly on the invoice form. After you've enabled that setting, click Done to save your changes. That's it. Your invoice template is now updated. Going forward, invoices created with this template will include the account summary balance due, making the billing information more complete and easier for customers to understand. If you use multiple invoice templates, just keep in mind that this change applies only to the one you edited, so you may need to repeat the same process on any other active templates you use. This is a small adjustment, but it can make your invoices much more informative and professional.